Whether you're camping, hiking, traveling, going to the beach with kids, whatever it is, a first aid kit is something you may want to have with you at all times. So when we take long trips, we always have a first aid kit packed in the car, just in case. You never know what's going to happen. So in this little bag here, they come in different ones. This is the 100 piece. There's a 160 piece. There's a smaller piece. All these items, which I'm going to go through, tell you all about it. So this was sent to us by the brand to give you our honest opinion, and I think this is a great little first aid kit. So first off, it has a guide. So if you don't know anything about first aid, you can reference what you need to know inside of here. There is an emergency blanket, which you can toss over yourself, and it can keep the sun out or keep the heat in, whichever way you turn the foil. So it's got foil like that. There is what's called the triangular bandage, or I just call it a sling. So say you have to support your arm, you can use that. I might have hit my microphone. Anyway, you can use that to support your arm. It has these iodine pads, 4 of those, alcohol prep pads, a bunch of those, these antiseptic towelettes there. It has the gauze tape there, a pad for your eye there, the gauze pads here, all different types of bandages. So junior bandages, knuckle bandages, larger bandages, all right there. An eye wash bottle here, a moleskin bandage, which is nice if you've got like blistering or other problems. There has a little tourniquet strap here to tourniquet an arm or a leg. So it is a rubber tourniquet piece there that is adjustable, so you can buckle it to whatever size you need there. It has little applicators with soft cotton ends. Some people call them something else, but they're little cotton applicators. Safety pins, a bunch of safety pins. Tape to tape on the gauze. Scissors made for cutting your gauze or whatever. And then tweezers as well. So all this comes in this bag, and I can pack everything right back in there. Believe it or not, it all fits right inside this bag. Put the moleskin back in there. These back in here. All these little towelettes go back in. There. It has an outer pouch too if you need to carry more bandages or something like that. But yeah, everything will go right back inside of this bag and close right back up. So for your next trip, I recommend having one of these with you. I recommend, if you're looking for something like this, to check this one out, because it does come in different, like I said, 100 piece, which this one is, and 160 piece, and I think a smaller one too. But just like that, everything is back in that first aid kit, ready to go, with a little clip to hook it onto yourself. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.